What if I told you that you can add your system.io form data to the Google Sheet without manually copy pasting? Yes, you can do it all by creating automation by using Pabbly Connect. So right here you can see this is my registration form of system.io. So here I'm going to fill all these details, providing the first name is smart, last name is user, email is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and here I have entered the phone number. Now let me submit this form. And here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether I'm receiving this data of my lead over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as system.io leads, where you can see I'm successfully adding the data of my leads received from my system.io contact form. And now look at this, we are receiving the accurate data, that is full name is smart user, email is smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number too. So now you can also automate your system.io and Google Sheet with each other, so that you don't have to manually copy paste the data. And this automation is ideal for course creators, marketers, and small businesses who manage system.io on the daily basis. So right here I have created this automation by integrating both these applications by using Pabbly Connect. So now you can also create an automation like this by just accessing Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I'm on my workflow page, which is the most important window for creating our automation. And now if you're an existing user, then you definitely know how to get this workflow page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Connect, then you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Connect for getting this workflow page, and that URL is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account first time over the Pabbly Connect, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and accessing Pabbly Connect. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. And if you are an existing user to the Pabbly Connect, then you can just click over the sign in, and once you will land to your workflow page, you might have observed this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So here you have to select the application which will initiate your automation. And now, as you know, I want to initiate my automation as soon as I receive a new form submission over my system.io. So here I will be selecting my trigger app as system.io. So I'm going to just click over this add trigger button, and here I'm going to search for it. And you can select your trigger app according to the workflow you are creating. And here I'm getting my application which I'm going to select. Now let's select the app event as contact subscribe to a form. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is basically for connecting system.io with the Pabbly Connect. So now you can follow these steps for adding this webhook URL, but now let me show you how to add it. So for that you just have to copy the webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my system.io account, where I'm going to add an automation to the funnel. So for that I'm going to select my sales funnels, and here you can see that I have already created this funnel, that is lead. And now I'm going to add the automation rules for this particular funnel. So for that, let's move on towards my automations, and here I'm going to just click over this rules. And here I'm landed to my automation rules page, where I'm going to create a new rule by selecting this create button, and here we have to select the trigger, means which event is going to trigger my system.io. So here I'm going to select it as funnel setup form subscribed, and now here it is asking me to choose the funnel for which I want to set this rule. So here I'm going to select it as lead, which is the recent funnel I have shown you. And now for the funnel step page, I'm going to select it as squeeze page, means the form through which I'm going to receive my new lead. And here I'm done with it. Now we just have to set up the action, means what action we have to perform. And here I'm going to send the data to the webhook. So I'm going to just click over this send webhook, and here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL where we have to send the data. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have recently received from a Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered it. Now we just have to click over the save rule, and here our new rule has been created successfully. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where you can see the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new lead over our squeeze form. So for that, let's move on towards my form, and here you can see its name, that is squeeze page, which I have recently selected in my rules. And now I am going to fill this registration form. So here I have filled this form, providing first name demo, last name user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number. Now let's submit this form. So here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on to towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this data over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this response, and here you can see that in this response I'm getting the same lead details, means the contact's first name is demo, last name is user, and here you can check out rest of the details, that is email and the phone number too. So now as soon as any lead will fill the form, the data will be captured by Pabbly Connect and the data will be automatically added to the Google Sheet. So now this response describes that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now we just have to add this data to the Google Sheet. So for that I'm going to use my second principle, that is going to be the action app. So here I'm going to select my action app as Google Sheet, as I want to add the data over there. So for that I just have to click over this add trigger button, and here I'm going to select it. Now let's select the app event as add new row, and now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to my connection page, where for building a new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. Now let's click over this save button, and here the connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet. So here I'm going to select it as system.io leads, means this is the sheet where I'm going to save the data. So here you can see this is the sheet where I'm going to add the data, and now we are getting all these fields where we have to enter the details of our lead. And now I'm not going to manually enter the details like this, because I'm going to show you a magic by using which you don't have to manually type the data again and again. The fields will be automatically replaced, and that magic is mapping. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from system.io, as this is my previous application, and the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application, that is system.io, from where I'm going to map the first name of my lead, and afterwards I'm going to provide the space and map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped the full name. Now likewise I'm going to map the email address. So here I'm getting the email address which I'm going to map. Now let's map the phone number from the response. So here I'm going to map the phone number with this response. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and these fields are dynamic, means it is going to change with every new form submission received in your system.io, and you don't have to manually type the data again and again. The response will be automatically replaced and fetched by the Google Sheet, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrate that the data might be added to my Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, and here you can see that the data of my lead is successfully added. That is full name is demo, user, email is demo@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number as well. So now I have shown you an amazing automation by using which you don't have to manually copy and paste the data again and again, and the instant your leads will be captured, the data will be added to the Google Sheet. And now as you have automated the task, then you can focus on growth of your business instead of these manual tasks, as Pabbly is there for you for integrating thousands of applications by using which you can automate your whole business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any kinds of doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.